Experience the rich heritage of Brazilian cuisine with this authentic feijoada, a hearty black bean stew simmered with traditional smoked pork hock, pork shoulder or ribs, linguiça, paio sausage, salt pork, and carne seca, enhanced with garlic, bay leaves, and spices. History. Originating from a blend of African, Portuguese, and indigenous influences, feijoada was born from the resourceful use of leftover meats and has evolved into Brazil's national dish. Begin by soaking 2 cups of dried black beans overnight and preparing your meats, including optional traditional cuts such as pork ears, trotters, or tail for extra authenticity. In a large Dutch oven, heat olive oil and sauté diced salt pork until crisp. Then add finely chopped onions and minced garlic until soft and fragrant. Brown the pork hock, pork shoulder, and carne seca to build deep flavor before incorporating sliced linguiça and paio sausage. Add the soaked beans and browned meats to the pot, along with about 10 cups of water or unsalted broth, bay leaves, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Let the mixture simmer gently for 2.5 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally and mashing some beans for a thicker texture if desired. Remove the hock, shred its tender meat, and return it to the stew. Serve feijoada over freshly cooked white rice with sautéed couve, garlicky collard greens, bright orange slices, and farofa, toasted cassava flour, garnished with chopped cilantro. Pair with Brazilian vinaigrette and pão de queijo to add texture. For drinks, coconut water, limeade, or passion fruit juice, herbal tea. Enjoy.